Okay, so we're going to prove that P and Q and R is logically equivalent to P and Q and R. So basically what this is showing is that the and connective among propositions is associative, right? So we have three propositions. So I'm going to go ahead and put that here, P, Q, and R. And I have to have all the possible true and false values between these guys. So we'll have true, 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 false, 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 false. This will be true, true, false, false, true, true, false, false. And then this will be true, false, true, false, true, false, true, false. Okay, so now we want to do this side first, but I'll do this piece first and then do this whole thing, right? So Q and R. So remember, for and, you need both of these guys to be true in order for the and to be true among those guys, right? Among those propositions. So T and T is T, right? T and F is F. T and F is F. I mean F and T, sorry. F and F is, of course, F. T and T. And then the rest are false, right? Because with the Q column and the R column, we had true false, which is false, false true, which is false, and false false, which is false. So now let's go ahead and do P and Q and R. So P and Q and R, true, true is true. I can see there's a false there, so automatically I know these are false. I have a true here, so true and false is false, and then the rest are false, right? So I only have one true value at the top, right? So now I'm going to do this side. So I'm going to do first P and Q, so P and Q. So true, right? True and true is true. And then the rest are false, right? Because I have at least one false in the rest of them. So false, 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 and false. Okay, so now I'm going to do P and Q and R, right? So I'm going to look at the P and Q column and the R column. So true and true is true, right? True and false is false. And since the rest of these are false, I know P and Q and R is going to be false, right? So false, 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 false. So look at what I have here. Let me look at the P and Q and R column and the P and Q and R column. So I have true, the rest are false, true, the rest are false. So these two columns here are the same, right? They're the same. So this implies, right? This implies that P and Q and R is in fact logically equivalent to P and Q and R. So this tells me that the and connective, right, among the propositions is in fact associative. And that is the proof.